Cab 26 here, just do just repairs and hobbies, and we've got some silly putty here. I'm going to cut open. You can get this on Amazon. You can get 6 of these for like $8 or $9. It's got a seal. We have to open up. Let's see if we can open that up. This is good for what we're going to do is some masking. I'll show you how you mask a model. Open that. Crack the egg open, and there's your silly putty. That's what I remember it to be. It's a pinkish color. So we got a model here, and what you want to do is you want to take some of this out and peel some off and work it. Get some life back into it. There may be some tips on the internet, on Google, to get silly putty to, reactivate it or something like that. But what you're going to do is take a piece, try not to get it dirty. And what we want to do is we want to mask off her bikini. So we'll put a piece there, okay, and put it like that. See, like that? Take another piece. And you're going to do this and mask it off so when you go spray it, you're not spraying the color onto your model. Okay, and once you spray it, this will peel right off and you can reuse it. Another piece right here. This keeps falling out of the egg. Jesus. I got it on the wrong half of the egg, maybe. I don't know. So, put a little piece like right there for her strap. Like that. Okay. There's another strap on this side. So get another piece. And I see what we missed, a spot right below it. So let's get another piece right here. Put it in there like that. And then you could spray the skin tone. Get another piece, roll it out. This is going to be her bra strap again. Try to get it nice and thin. And put it in there like that. Okay, it'll stick pretty nice, pretty well. Okay, then you have to do the back. Okay, so you have to bring it down here and do the back. I'm not going to show you that, but that's how you mask off a model to spray for the skin tones. Okay, and then you go back in and you can paint the part that was masked off. Peel that off once this is dry, and then paint in the bikini part. So, do a little bit more here. The back part here. And, it stretches, so you can stretch it out, and it sticks nice. It doesn't peel, the paint off, and even if you get paint on it, it's not going to be a problem. Okay. Get another piece here. Go right across. Like that. Stretch it. And you got the bikini straps you got to do again on the back. This is for a Wonder Woman model I'm going to be doing in the future. I did 2 versions. So that's nice. Do the strap right here. If you can see it. Like that. I'm just going to put it over there for a minute. Okay. Hope you guys are doing good today. I hope you're having a good day. Let's see, the strap goes there, and then it goes right here. It's kind of wide right there. Okay, so that's what I want to show you today, and hope you're having a good day, and please rate and subscribe and give the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.